It's that time of year as kids head back to class when germs start to spread. This year, when cold symptoms start, schools will be on the lookout for something more serious called pertussis. While all students are required to be vaccinated for whooping cough to enter elementary school in Iowa, state health officials now warn that's not enough. It takes several doses to get good protection.
The whooping cough vaccine just is not one that sort of sticks with you for life. We'd love it if it did, but it doesn't.
That's why state epidemiologist Patricia Quinlisk now recommends another booster dose for children at age 11 or 12.
We don't have any requirement of adolescent vaccines, though we do strongly recommend a number of vaccines. One of them is pertussis. Another one is the meningitis vaccine.
Iowa saw a 229% increase with 705 reported whooping cough cases last year. Initial symptoms include a runny nose and sneezing, but a violent cough develops with difficulty breathing that could last months.
You're coughing so much and trying to inhale, but those airways are so constricted that the air's not getting in. That's what causes you to whoop, trying to get it in.
Whooping cough can be fatal in babies and young children who are most vulnerable, so parents, grandparents, and daycare providers are also urged to get the pertussis booster vaccine.